welcome back to my channel, OkieGirlBling'n'Things. And today I'm going to show y'all and do a quick tutorial and show y'all how to change colors or join colors seamlessly. This technique I use for anytime I'm working with multiple colors and I want to switch colors, but I don't want the one color to run into the row of the other color. So you can use this method to completely change on different rows, like so. I changed on this end down here. Or you can do it to change the middle of a row like I did here. And you can't see where I joined the two colors. So I'm going to show y'all how to do that, and we'll just jump right into it. Okay, so I have a sample here I was working on of double crochet. Although this technique will work with any stitch that you're using, I'm just going to show y'all how to do it on double crochet. So what you're going to do is I have one stitch left for this row. So on your very last stitch that you want to do in the color that you're in, stitch before you want to switch colors, you're going to go ahead and start to work as normal. And this is double crochet, so I'm going to get 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to pull through, and on that very last time before I would pull yarn over and pull through, I'm going to drop the color I'm using and pick up my other color that I'm wanting to switch over to. I'm simply going to yarn over and pull through and finish that stitch with the new color. Like so, and then you can't see where I joined, so it's going to seamlessly give you a join and change the color without you being able to see and having it halfway in the other stitch. So I'm going to go ahead and work this next row like I was normally doing, like with double crochet. Chain 2 and turn, and go ahead and start to work it like I normally would, and I'll show y'all that you can't see where you joined. See that? You can't tell. And what I would do is I would just cut this yarn and I would gently tie a knot like so right there, and then you're not going to be able to see it. Or even if you're going to switch colors every few rows, you can even carry it up the side and then cover it up when you come back and put a border on it. So there's many options there. And I'm also going to show y'all how to join in the middle of a row. So if you're just going along and you want to get halfway through with this row, you're like, I want to switch colors midpoint on a row. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to start it like you normally would. But before you pull through those before you finish that stitch, you're going to switch colors and finish it with that new color. And like so. So then you could go ahead and work. And see, you cannot see where you joined. And this technique works for any stitch. It doesn't matter what stitch you're doing, just the very last time before you pull your yarn through and finish a stitch, you're going to change colors. So like if I was going to do a half double crochet, well, I'd start to work a half double crochet and I got 3 loops on my hook and I'd pull through to finish it. So I would just grab the other color yarn and finish it like so. Half double crochet. Or if you want to do a single crochet, you're just going to do like you normally would. Go to pull up a single crochet. Okay, I've got 2 loops. I'm going to finish it, so I'm going to switch to the new color and finish it like that. So it doesn't matter what stitch you're going to use, just pull through with that new yarn on the very last time you pull through on that stitch and it'll work. And that's how you seamlessly join colors. I hope y'all guys enjoyed this tutorial. If I did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my blog for free crochet patterns.